Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best ring light is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to elevate their content creation game, whether you're a budding vlogger, a professional photographer, or simply someone who wants to look their best on video calls. This seemingly simple device can dramatically improve the quality of your visuals by providing consistent, flattering illumination that eliminates harsh shadows and creates a soft, even glow, making your subject pop and your overall production value soar to new heights. Number 5. NEEWER RL 18-inch LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the NEEWER RL 18, a professional 18-inch LED ring light kit designed for creators. It provides powerful and consistent lighting for all your visual projects. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the LED ring light, a sturdy light stand, a flexible soft tube, color filters, and a phone holder. It's designed for ultimate convenience and adaptability. The aluminum alloy light stand ensures exceptional stability, while the soft tube allows for effortless positioning. Achieve the perfect lighting angle with ease and confidence. Equipped with white and orange color filters, it offers steady color temperature and excellent light transmission. Soften your light for flattering and professional results. Ideal for makeup artists, photographers, videographers, and more. This versatile lighting tool enhances your content, from studio shoots to on-the-go creations. A convenient carrying bag is included, making it simple to transport and store your entire lighting setup. Take your professional lighting wherever inspiration strikes. What we like. This large ring light offers ample illumination for professional needs. The included soft tube allows for flexible light positioning, and the carrying bag makes it portable. If you are a professional such as a makeup artist, tattoo artist, or barber who needs consistent, high-quality lighting and easy transport, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The ring light has 3 color lighting modes: white, warm yellow, and warm white. It also has 10 brightness levels for each color, totaling 30 options. The tripod stand is adjustable from 15.7 inches to 50 inches, making it versatile for different heights and uses. The ring light comes with a Bluetooth remote that allows you to take photos and videos from up to 30 feet away. Number 4. Kaiess 10.2 Selfie Ring Light with Tripod. Introducing the Kaiess 10.2-inch Selfie Ring Light, your ultimate tool for professional-looking content creation. It's designed to enhance your videos and photos with perfect lighting. Choose from 3 lighting modes and 10 brightness levels for a total of 30 options. This ensures you always have the ideal light to eliminate shadows and protect your eyes. The upgraded tripod stand extends up to 65 inches and features a weighted base for maximum stability. It's perfect for any setup, from a tabletop to a floor stand. Powered by any USB device, this light offers convenience on the go. Easily adjust settings with the wireless remote, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Ideal for makeup tutorials, live streams, video calls, and photography. It helps you shine like a star in any situation, making every shot perfect. The rotatable phone holder securely fits all smartphones, allowing for 360-degree adjustment. Capture content horizontally or vertically with ease. What we like. Experience more uniform and balanced lighting with its upgraded arched lampshade, which is gentler on the eyes. Being USB powered and featuring a wireless remote, it offers great convenience. If you are a content creator, influencer, or student who needs a versatile and easy-to-use lighting solution for various platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Zoom calls, this is ideal. What people say. The ring light has 3 color lighting modes: white, warm yellow, and warm white. It also has 10 brightness levels that can be adjusted. The stand is adjustable and can extend from 15.7 inches to 50 inches, making it suitable for various heights and needs. The ring light is powered by USB, making it convenient to use with a laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. Number 3. 18-inch LED ring light with tripod stand. Experience exceptional lighting with our large 18-inch ring light. It offers adjustable color temperature and brightness, perfect for all your creative projects like portraits, vlogs, and selfies. Set up your light with ease using the sturdy aluminum alloy tripod stand. It's height adjustable, ensuring stability for all your shooting needs. Capture photos and videos hands-free with the wireless Bluetooth controller. You can also manage the light settings from a distance with the included IR remote. Expand your setup with 3 hot shoe ports, allowing you to mount multiple phones or cameras simultaneously. Plus, keep your devices charged with 2 built-in USB ports. This comprehensive kit includes the 18-inch ring light, tripod stand, phone holders, remote controls, a power cord, and a convenient carrying bag. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month warranty. What we like? This option stands out with its ability to mount multiple devices simultaneously using its 3 hot shoe ports and keep them charged with 2 USB ports. It also offers a wide color temperature range without needing filters. If you are a serious content creator who needs to use multiple phones or cameras at once and requires extended shooting time without worrying about device battery life, this is the perfect setup. What people say. The ring light has 3 color lighting modes: white, warm yellow, and warm white. It has 10 adjustable brightness levels for each color. Number 2. Weilisi 10.5 ring light with 69 tripod. Experience lighting like never before with our innovative full-screen design. It offers a larger, brighter light-emitting surface for stunning fill light effects from any angle. Our advanced technology provides softer, more uniform illumination. This ensures your skin looks natural, enhances facial features, and protects your eyes while you look your best. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. Whether it's warm, natural, or cold light, you'll find the perfect setting for any situation. This versatile tripod extends from 39 to 69 inches, made from durable aluminum. It easily adjusts to your height needs and features a standard mount for your device. Take photos and videos with ease using the included wireless remote. Control your device from up to 30 feet away, perfect for selfies and group shots. The adaptable phone holder rotates 360 degrees and fits most smartphones. Capture stunning photos and videos from any angle with your preferred device. From video recording and live streaming to makeup and video conferencing, this light is your perfect companion. Use it indoors or outdoors for any application you can imagine. What we like? Its unique full-screen design provides brighter, softer, and more uniform lighting than traditional ring lights, enhancing facial features beautifully. With 360 degrees rotation, you can achieve any desired angle. If you prioritize natural-looking, flattering light for makeup, video recording, or live streaming and want a visually appealing and effective lighting setup, this is a great option. What people say. The ring light has 3 color lighting modes: white, warm yellow, and warm white. It has 10 adjustable brightness levels, which can be selected easily via the remote. The tripod stand is extendable from 15 inches to 50 inches. Number 1. Sensyne 50 ring light with stand. Achieve flawless lighting for your videos, makeup, and streams. With 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, you can easily create soft, flattering light that eliminates harsh shadows. It's the perfect illumination for any content you create. This versatile tripod extends from 15.7 to 50 inches, making it ideal for desk use, standing filming, or even full-body shots. Get the perfect height for video calls, live streaming, selfies, and all your content creation needs. Capture any angle with its flexible phone holder and adjustable head. Easily switch between portrait, landscape, overhead, and low-angle shots. It's perfect for creators, vloggers, and anyone looking for versatile shooting options. Take photos and videos from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. This is perfect for solo creators, group shots, or remote recording, eliminating the need to touch your phone. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need: a ring light, tripod stand, phone holder, and remote. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, making it the ultimate tool for TikTok, YouTube, live streaming, and Zoom meetings. What we like? This ring light offers a highly adjustable 50-inch tripod, making it suitable for everything from desk use to full-body shots. It provides 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels for perfect lighting in any scenario. If you need a flexible lighting solution that can adapt to various shooting needs, from close-up makeup tutorials to wider shots for TikTok or Zoom, this is a fantastic all-around choice. What people say. The ring light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels, making it suitable for various lighting conditions. The stand is sturdy and adjustable, allowing for easy positioning of the ring light at different heights and angles. It comes with multiple color temperature settings, offering warm, neutral, and cool light options to match different moods or purposes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.